Okay guys, in today's video we are going to cover basically how to catch these big movers. So let's get started. Yo guys, what's up? We are in the new office. Just got this new desk, got the computer. Getting a new computer within this next week or so. I'm actually flying out for vacation on Thanksgiving Day, so that's why I'm making this video right now. Should be uploaded today as well, but it's echoing right now in here, so I'm definitely going to get some art and some stuff to kind of tone that down. So when I make videos for you guys. But for right now, this is what we have to work with. We've got a nice chair. Staples is actually going out of business near where I'm at, so we've definitely got some clearance items. But with that being said, even if I am on vacation, you guys know, my students know, hit me up on my direct line. I will still answer all your questions that are needed. But with that being said, let's jump into this. So QD is a perfect example of something that is up early in the morning and it just kind of stays and it holds its momentum and it holds its support really, really well. So we don't even need a trend line for this. There's two different kind of styles that I kind of trade by. So there is the trend mark, the trend line, of course, that kind of goes through it, and this does kind of follow a trend line, as you can see from here through to here. So you can actually start one. We're going to go ahead and add that line just because I'm going to show you the two different kinds of trading that I go by. So, and you can kind of combine these sometimes, like we kind of pretty much did today. I'm out of this one. I'm done for the week. I am starting vacation early, right after this video, pretty much. But again, if you guys are my students, or if you want to become a student, DM me. I'm still going to set you up. Still going to help you guys out. Even though there is no trading tomorrow, since it is Thanksgiving. But with that being said, everybody, QD obviously had news this morning. Good news. So it popped up, and we were up in here. It's holding this support is what I really like to see. It created this support. It wasn't going below it at around that 470 mark. It hit it, but it never actually went below it. So with that being said, and then it popped up really early, and then it fell straight back down. So for me, that's something that I look at, and I'm like, well, it held that support. So if it didn't break it, as you can see in here, let's get a little bit closer, because when in the mornings, this is what you're looking at. This is about what my screen normally looks like. There's nothing really right here yet. I'm waiting as the candles develop. So it never really goes below it. You have this really quick second, and it makes sure it corrects itself really fast. So we're up, we're back down, and then we're kind of holding. And of course, I see that it's holding that support, and I really like that. So I jumped in, me being me. Considering this is the last day that I'm really going to trade this week. I don't know if the market's open Friday or not. I haven't really looked into it, to be honest. And then it just gets this huge jump, and I'm not gonna lie, I sold all my shares right at the $5 mark. I wasn't gonna risk any more. I mean, I made 30 cents a share, and I was done for the day. I made roughly good money again today, and I didn't need to try to overdo it since there's not a day, since we're not trading tomorrow, and I don't know about Friday. I didn't want to overdo it. I wanted to take my profits, be able to relax for the rest of the week, and head to Florida tomorrow. We're on vacation, so Florida. There you go. But with that being said, it did follow this trend line. You could have set this one up as it hit this one, and then kind of watched it, and then you would have made money. But again, I'm going to have to see in just a second. You didn't really need to. I'm sorry, guys. Man, I don't know if it's coming or not. But with that being said, it didn't really matter. As long as you can play the support and resistance really, really well on this one, because that's really what it's calling for, you would have been good. And I don't believe, because if you would have followed this trend line, it would have just went straight through this gap up. Okay, so there's that. And then some of you have been asking me about my scanners. What do I use? Again, I would give that information to you, but it's in my course, and I make people come get that from me. So with that being said, if you want just my scanners, DM me. We'll work out a deal, and that'll be that. But with that being said, thank you guys all for watching. Please give a thumbs up. If there's anything that you need, links are in the description. Definitely check them out. I'm ready to get more successful students, guys. I have a ton of them already. I have people that are independent on their own, doing this for a living. Um, I love it. I want to see more people doing it. So with that being said, thank all of you guys, and I will see you guys very soon. We're going to definitely get some more vlogs going as well. So see you guys later.